Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the wiring diagram of battery parallel connection 12 volts output. This is a battery, 12 volts battery, then another 12 volts battery. Then connection niya guys. Then this is a ground cable connected sa body ground sa sasakyan, sa chassis or sa body sa starting motor. Then ang negative naka-jumper guys sa another negative sa another battery, negative terminal. Then ang positive guys, this battery is connected also to the positive terminal sa another battery, 12 volts. Then this one guys is output niya. Output niya is 12 volts. 12 volts. This is parallel. Then another wiring diagram of the starting system. Starting system guys. This is a battery. Body ground ground cable connected sa negative terminal. Then ang positive na connect guys sa starting motor solenoid switch, battery terminal. Tatlo yung terminal guys sa solenoid switch. Ang isa sa battery, ang isa sa starting patungo sa ignition switch, ST. Mark ST as starting. Then ang isa guys patungo sa ground sa starting motor, ang solenoid switch. Then ang nag-connect sa positive guys sa solenoid switch, may cable na maliit patungo sa ating ammeter terminal. Ammeter, positive terminal sa ammeter. Ang negative guys patungo sa ignition switch mark B as battery. Then another terminal guys, apat yung terminal, ECC, accessories guys sa lighting. Then another terminal is ignition. Ito yun guys, connection sa ignition system natin kung gasoline engine. Pero kung sa diesel, doon connect sa ignition pump sa heater plug. Bible verse of the day sa John chapter 8 verse 44. Ye are of your father the devil, and the lust of your father ye will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abode not in the truth, because there is no truth in him. When he speaketh a lie, he speaketh of his own, for he is a liar and the father of it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.